sniper indicator. Again, if you have questions, put those questions in. Drop a like, drop a heart. Let's continue. This is driver's education class. Let's talk about approaching the vehicle. We each have a responsibility. When we come up to our car, we have to look around, we have to check things. It's really important that we all work together to make sure safety is the most important thing. Whenever you approach your vehicle, you want to go from the right side of the vehicle and never turn your back to oncoming traffic. So this is a very important symbol, and I need all of you to understand this. I need you to tell your friends. Let's continue.